Have you ever pondered upon the importance of preserving heirloom seeds for future generations? Seed saving plays a vital role in conserving the biodiversity of our planet, ensuring food security, and maintaining the genetic diversity of plants. Heirloom seeds, in particular, hold a wealth of genetic information, passed down through generations, that could be key to our future survival. They represent a link to our past and a bridge to our future. Understanding the relevance of this practice is the first step in making a difference. Saving seeds from your heirloom plants is an art, and mastering it is simpler than you might think. The first step is to select the right plants. Look for healthy, vigorous plants that bear desirable traits. Once you've chosen your plants, allow them to mature fully. This is crucial because seeds harvested too early won't be viable. Moving on to different types of heirloom plants. For tomatoes, squeeze out the seeds, rinse them, and let them dry. For beans, simply let the pods dry out on the vine, then shell the beans and let them dry further. With peppers, cut them open, scrape out the seeds, and lay them out to dry. After drying, store your seeds in a cool, dark place. Paper envelopes or glass jars work great for this. Just make sure they're properly labeled with the plant type and date. With these straightforward steps, you can become a seed-saving expert in your own garden. Now that you are equipped with the knowledge, it's time to take action. Embrace the art of seed saving and make a difference in your own backyard. By preserving the seeds from your garden, you are not only keeping heirloom varieties alive, but also contributing to a sustainable future. This simple act holds immense power to preserve our planet's biodiversity. Remember, every seed saved is a step towards preserving our planet's biodiversity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to become a part of this journey.